Introducing the Motorola Razr Plus Flip Phone, true masterpiece of modern technology. Experience convenience like never before. This flip phone boasts the largest and the most advanced external display, allowing you to access everything that matters without even opening your phone. It's like having the world at your fingertips. The classic flip design gets a modern twist with a fully interactive 3.6-inch external display. When you flip it open, you're greeted by a breathtaking 6.9-inch OLED screen that's incredibly vivid, providing an immersive visual experience. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. With Flex View, you can stand your phone at multiple angles, opening up entirely new possibilities for interaction, capturing moments, and unleashing your creativity. Whether it's a detailed shot in any lighting, an ultra-wide vista, or a close-up with macrovision, the powerful cameras and external display have you covered. The powerhouse processor ensures blazing speed and responsiveness. You will enjoy a 20% increase in AI performance, making multitasking and gaming a breeze. With a 3800 mAh battery, this phone keeps up with your day and night. Need a quick charge? Turbo Power 30-watt charging gets you back in action in no time, and you can charge wirelessly for added convenience. Stay tuned for the latest in tech and innovation by subscribing to our channel. Elevate your mobile experience with the Motorola Razr Plus Flip Phone today.